Sanibonani, ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila nami ngi-right. Ake nje ngiqale ngokuhalalisela bakithi uMakhwela ukuthi siyambongela ukuthi usengenile nje kwaMseleku. Siyafisa ukuthi nje konke kuhambe kahle, angene kahle, awu-enjoy umendo wakhe. Others will see this as a blessing, others will see this as a curse because of what we have already seen on screen. Siyazi ukuthi what possible challenges are waiting for her eMzumbe. But what matters is how she sees this journey akuyo. I hope ujimile, I hope she is a praying woman, and I hope that she will take all the lessons that she has been taught kubo awasebenzise kahle kwaMseleku. Secondly, this episode for me was just less about the Libola negotiations and everything. It was more about the future. Njengoba izinto zenzeka ngalendlela ezenzeka ngayo. A few things actually stood out for me. Number one, Umsele njengoba elobola nje, the other wives don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani, only Macele knows. So basically, bazobona nje esezongenisa egcekeni ukuthi yane usengenile ngempela. It's gonna be a huge shock bakithi. But I think since uMakhumalo wasendaweni uzozwa somehow and hopefully abathiphise laba abanye. But definitely lento izokhoza inkinga between them njengoba already kutense kanje. And secondly, he asked to meet abakhongi eSeapark and not eMzumbe because he was thinking about the feelings of our wives, which is interesting seeing as how things unfolded in Thanksgiving. He didn't care then, kodwa manje he cares. And thirdly, Kesana, I wonder if he had finished ama-renovations lawa abekade kuthiwa ayadingeka in the main house since uzohlala khona uMakhwela noma uzofikela kumuzi vele ungarenovate-wanga. And I also hope ukuthi bese urenovatile umuzi kaMayeni njengoba eselobola nje. Lapho ke if uMayeni finds out ukuthi how kanti uselobolile umuzi wami engakawuqedi, imagine how she's gonna feel. Uzobona ngempela lapho ukuthi hayi le ndoda ayinindaba nezidingo zakhe. She will further resent her husband. When the wives actually watch this episode, they will definitely hate uMacele even more than indoda yabo, because in their minds yonke lento iyenzeka because she agreed ukuthi akangene unumber 5. But mina, I'm here looking at how Umseleku is moving throughout nje le process, and I'm just like, uqhubeka la egcine khona guys, ngoba sesiyazi ukuthi some of them bangena kanjani kulomshado. Ngoba vele kwaku-tense back then, njengoba ku-tense manje ngoba ngena uMakhwela. They must at least see the good in what Seleku did by meeting with abakhongi eSeapark instead of eMzumbe, because remember they said ukuthi eMzumbe is space sabo, so they shouldn't feel uncomfortable espacing sabo. So in this case, Kesana, i-meeting le yabakhongi ibingadingi ukuthi kushiswe impepho. So I think in this case we can let it slide ukuthi bahlangane eSeapark. But ke mina, my concern is that uMayeni especially will have a problem ukuthi uMakhwela uhlala in the main house. I feel like she's gonna be maybe passive aggressive. Mhlambe ngekamkhombisa like straight out asho ukuthi like angithandi ukuthi uhleli la in the main house, thina sizoba ne-access kanjani in the main house. I feel like uzokwenza nje izinto nje ezincane ekhombisayo ukuthi she has a problem with uMakhwela living in the main house. The best option engicabanga ukuthi kumele yenzeke is for uMakhwela to move in emzini kaMangwabe, since vele sesiyazi truck isizofika eMzumbe anytime now izothatha umthwalo wakhe. So the main house will remain accessible for the wives, and then uMakhwela can go and just settle in emzini kaMangwabe, since vele siyazi uzohamba nazo nje ingane zakhe. Angimboni eyishiya, but asazi. Singakhuluma usuku lonke about lesimo sasami ayifake kuso, but at the end of the day I am worried bakithi. I am worried ukuthi uzofika lapha abe too comfortable, kanti lesikhathi angene ngaso sinzima ngoba abantu, they are still recovering from ukugula kwaMseleku. They are evaluating ama-assets abo. They are contemplating impilo where the husband is not there anymore, and I'm sure futhi khona abantu abacabanga ama-sites namanje, and some are even saving money for when izinto ngempela zibheda. I feel like nje uSamke is still young. She is still in her own bubble. Usa-happy nje ukuthi ungenile bakithi, ungene la kunzima khona. I'm sure ngoba ese-right uMseleko, ebone ngathi use-right uMseleko uyitshela ukuthi he's gonna be around for a very long time, uzomnakekela, uzomprovidela. So okwamanje she's gonna feel comfortable ukukhiqiza iy'ngane and spend quality time nendoda yakhe. I worry ukuthi she might not be prepared enough. If she's not ngempela prepared, she's in for a rude awakening ngoba uyomangala ukuthi akekho ozofuna umgadela ingane mawukuthi naye useyibona ukuthi she needs imali ukuzoba yakhe njengalawa amakhosikazi njengoba esebenza nje. So kuzomphoqa ukuthi akhulise iy'ngane zakhe to the point where uzokwazi mhlawumbe ukuyiqashela umuntu ozoyigada noma azise ecrash. She's also going to be bearing the majority weight of taking care of uMseleko manje, and even when he is older and frail ngoba she's young, she's energetic. Lamanye amakhosikazi nje azom-strong arm cause wona they're already there, badala futhi, they have the power to say, you know what, wena ufikayo kanti uyitshela usuzelene emshadweni, you need to take care of your husband. I do see uMakhumalo helping, I do see uMancele helping here and there, but I feel like the most work izowela kuyena vele uMakhwela. So in my opinion, I feel like she should achieve whatever goal she wants to achieve manje, whether it's businesses, whether it's getting qualifications, whether it's getting work experience, ukuze masedinga ukuthi mhlambe ayimele akwazi ukuba nezinto, experience, a business or like a qualification angabuyela kuyona ayisebenzise. But ke sana sizobona-ke ukuthi uMakhwela yini na ayikhethela ukuyenza kulesithembu, yini ayizele, yini ayifisayo, sizobona. It's been a pleasure just reviewing and watching everything unfold. But sana, I would like to hear your thoughts on this. Please comment down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't. I would also like to officially let you guys know ukuthi my memberships are opened. There are 3 levels. If you want to get to know me, please feel free to join. Igaxa-ke zami ke phakathi kulawo ma-group engizoke ngiyishare ahamba ngama-levels. So if ufuna lezi igaxa ey'ncane, hayi-ke group 1. If ufuna lezi ey'phana indawo, group 2. If ufuna lezi ey'the nje ey'shisayo, then please join group 3. I do hope to see you guys there. But as always, thank you so much for the love and support. Ngizonibona kule elandelayo. Bye guys.